Hello, welcome back. How you doing, school? Thanks again for coming in my kitchen. And check this out. I'm making a special dish I've never tried before and I'm super stoked about. Steamed buns. You know where they come from? They started in Asia. They took up of the storm. You see them everywhere when you watch your Japanese animations. I'm so excited about making these. I hope you're excited too because it's going to be a vegan steamed bun and I know my imaginary girlfriend is going to love this. So stay tuned, stay with me. Let's get going. So this is what I use to make the sauce. The recipe originated from Asia and they have some sesame oil. They also have some sake. I'm not using any of this because at the same time I like to retain my own authenticity when I make food. So for you, if you want a classicer taste, maybe use some sake, use some sesame oil. However, everything else that I have here is very generic. I have my garlic, half a clove of garlic. I have some ginger, red pepper flakes, honey, seasoned salt, extra seasoned salt, some rice vinegar, some soy sauce, some olive oil, some brown sugar, and some brown sugar. This is all that I use, and we're going to recommend you for the most part to do it until you find the nice consistency you're looking for. I've already made the sauce here, and this is the consistency you're looking for. With the ginger, put it in the bag.